Hello and welcome. On this episode we are making a simple Lithuanian honey cake. First of all, add 4 mixed eggs to 2/3 cup of sugar. Mix everything well. A dash of salt. And here comes one of the most important ingredients, a cup of honey. Then a cup of sour cream. Put a large teaspoon of cake spice mix in. It consists of nutmeg, clove, cardamom, allspice, cinnamon and ginger. Add about 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda to 1/5 cup of kefir. Pour it into the mixture and mix everything well. Add flour and mix until it reaches a consistency like this. Pour the mixture into the baking tray which has a buttered piece of baking paper on it. Spread the mixture evenly on the surface. Put the cake into the preheated oven at 190°C or 370°F for about 20 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 170 or 340°F and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes or until done. Simple, delicious and easy to make. That's a real honey cake. Grab a piece.
Nu ką, neskanu?
It's really great.
Taip. Nuostabus skonis, grynas medus.
Thanks for watching and until next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Mes anksčiau tik kepdavau namie, dėdė kepdavo, kai pagalvoju, va Jėzau.